Nature cereal. Put whatever you want, but this is what we're gonna put in it. Strawberries. Blueberries. I added some cherries. Pitless. Open this. Pomegranate. Coconut juice. Juice don't want to come out. Hold on. Okay, let's try that again. Make it nice and chill. Nature's cereal. Bon appetit. That is freaking delicious! Oh my god. Mommy, you're gonna love this. You gotta bring more.
Put some more ice cream.
What the fuck? This shit is awesome!